Hello friends, welcome to Slide Hunt with C programming video tutorial. And in this tutorial I am gonna show you how to swap two numbers using a third variable. First we know what is swapping. Swapping means interchanging the contents of the variables. Suppose you have two variables a and b, a containing 10 and b containing 20. If we swap these two variables, then after swapping a will contain b's value, that is 20, and b will contain a's value, that is 10. So before swapping a was containing 10 and b was containing 20, but after swapping a is containing 20 and b containing 10. Let's see how to do swap. To do this we need a third variable. You can call it as a temporary variable. Here we initialize a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and now we swap these two variables a and b. First we copy the value of the variable a to the temporary variable temp. So write here temp equal to a. The variable temp hold the a's value. Here we initialize a equal to 10. So the variable temp containing 10. Now we gonna write a equal to b, means a containing b's value. Here we initialize b equal to 20. So now a containing 20. 20 is the latest value of a. Next we gonna write b equal to temp. As you can see here, temp containing 10. So now b's value will be 10. 10 is the latest value of b. You can see here the value of this variable a and b has been swapped. Previously a was containing 10 and b was containing 20, and now after executing these three statements or operation, a is containing 20 and b is containing 10, so the value has been swapped. Let's see the coding. Here first we declare the variables which we use in our program. Here we need three variables, so I am gonna write here int a, b and temp. Temp is a temporary variable. Next we are going to ask user to enter two numbers to swap. So I am gonna use printf statement, and I would like to write here enter two number to swap and a new line. Next we use scanf function to read the input numbers, and we gonna store them to the variable a and b. So write here scanf %d for the first variable, another %d for the second variable, and ampersand a and then ampersand b. Next we gonna use a printf function to print the value of the variables before swapping. So write here printf before swapping a equal to %d and b equal to %d and a new line, and give here the variable name, that is a and b. Now we are going to write the statement to swap two variables. So first write here temp equal to a equal to b, and then b equal to temp. These three statements swap the value of the variable a and b. Then I am going to copy this statement and paste here, and now I am going to write here after swapping. Our program is completed. Let's see the output. Compile it and run it. It says enter two number to swap. I am gonna enter 20 and 50. Before swapping a equal to 20 and b equal to 50. After swapping a equal to 50 and b equal to 20. That's it. Hope you understand. See you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel.